The rear lines need more tension.
Yes, and the front intake could be bolder.
Exactly. Let's prototype that.
Vediamo il flusso d'aria qui.
Sì, la mappatura è chiara.
Confermo, i dati corrispondono.
Ruotiamo per la distribuzione termica.
Bene, ottimizziamo l'efficienza.
Turbine ramp-up initiated. Monitor the pressure curves.
Copy. Ribbons are stabilizing. Flow is nominal.
Good. Hold steady for data collection.
Ready? Let's start the unroll.
Yes, pulling now. Smooth the surface here.
Got it? Looks perfect.
Alignment is spot on. Confirmed, proceeding to next section. Looks good, recalibrating for the next pass.
Aligning the weave. Looks good. Press it down. Smoothing the edges. Perfect. Ready for the next.
Ready to load. Copy. Loading now. Mold is in position. Initiating closure.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear. Holding steady.
Feed rate looks stable. Confirmed. Adjusting depth now. Good. Watch for tool wear.
Aligning the front cross member now. Left rail is locking in. Right side is clear, proceeding. Good. Secure the mounts.
Sincronizzazione perfetta, nessun errore.
Monitora la temperatura, è critica.
Confermato, passa alla prossima giunzione.
Scanning front suspension.
Alignment looks good. Confirming.
Torque specs are within range.
Starting on the caliper bolts now. Good. Keep it at spec, 150 Newton meters. Copy. This one's tight. Check the next one. Precision is key. Got it. Almost done.
Chip evacuation is good.
Confirmed. Check the next tolerance.
Within spec, moving to finishing pass.
Proceed. Monitor surface finish.
Let's rotate it. Checking the finish. Good. Smooth so far. See any issues? This edge looks perfect. Agreed. Quality is excellent. Ready on this side?
Good. Aligning now.
Secure the front mount.
Done. Checking the fit.
Keep an eye on the tolerances. It's at 0.01 millimeter, right on spec. Good. Watch for chatter.
Rotazione e tolleranze stabili, controlla l'usura.
Dati ok, nessuna anomalia.
Bene, monitoriamo la finiture.
Torquing main cap to 85.
Copy. Reading 84.5. T.
Good. Next one.
Ready.
Heads up. Cranks prepped.
Careful with that harness. Route it tight. Got it. Securing the ECU connector now. Good. Lock it in place. Done. Testing continuity.
Torque this manifold to spec.
Got it. Holding steady.
Good. Now the rear clamps.
Alignment looks perfect.
Sensors are locked. Calibrating now. Copy. Bringing torque up. Check the sensors. We need precision. Readings are stable. Ready for test.
Initiating full throttle sequence. RPMs holding steady at 8,500. Power output is optimal, torque is stable.
Body shell alignment is good. Confirming. No visible issues. Proceeding to paint prep.
Copertura uniforme sul frontale. Procedete con i lati.
Confermato. Flusso e pressione ottimali.
Bene, monitoriamo il retro.
Curing parameters are stable. Initiating transport.
Confirmed. Thermal profile is optimal.
Body shell is entering the chamber now.
Heat soak is starting. Monitoring.
Let's check the paint reflections.
Scanning now. Looks uniform.
Good. Move to the center.
Confirmed. No orange peel effect.
Excellent. Log it.
Coating thickness is optimal. Proceed to the next panel. Confirmed. Surface uniformity is excellent.
Check the hooded line. Got it. Looks perfect.
Lower slowly. Watch the front alignment. Front right clear. Steady. Rear left aligned. Good. Rear right secure. Final check. Perfect fit. Lock it in.
Exterior's good. Let's get underneath. Copy that. Lifts ready. Alignment looks good. Torque that bolt. Ok, allineare il sistema di sospensione.
Ricevuto, robot in standby.
Perfetto, inseriamo il braccetto. Ti aiuto con il peso. Bene, ora stringo con la chiave.
Monitoraggio completato.
Calibrating for the fit.
Readings are optimal. Proceed.
Torquing now.
Perfect alignment. Lock it in. Module in. Ready for the connector.
Got it. Locking it now.
Harness is routed. Connection is secure.
Confirmed. Looks good.
Ready? Lift on 3. Ready. Align the brackets. Hold steady. Aligned. Fastening now. Good. Check the torque.
Panel gaps are perfect. Aligning now. Hold it steady. Fastening the hinges. Doors secure. Looks flawless.
Front wheel torqued. Rear wheel going on. Alignment is perfect.
All right, connections are secure. Let's run the full scan. Scan initiated monitoring systems now. Good. Watch for any engine flags. All clear so far. Displays are syncing. Ready for activation. Initiating sequence now. Left beam is aligned. Confirmed. Right beam next.
Pressure holding steady.
Confirming full coverage on the sensors.
Initiating ignition sequence.
Confirmed. Systems are green.
Engines alive. Hear that power.
Telemetry looks perfect.
Initiating controlled load. Watch the curves.
Copy. Rollers engaged. Revving up.
Steady climb. Torque is peaking.
Exhaust temps are optimal. Holding steady.
Excellent. Prepare to log the run.
Let's push it now! Feel that torque! Perfect suspension. Response.
Let's get her into position. Ready? Rolling her forward. Alignment looks perfect. Spotlights engaging. Final position.